101 questions. 101 questions. I got 101 questions. 101 questions. Say who? Who? A person or an animal. A person or an animal. A person or an animal. Say what? What? A thing or an action. A thing or an action. A thing or an action. Say where? Where? A place or location. A place or location. A place or location. Say why? Why? Give me a reason. Oh, give me a reason. Say because. Say how? How? Tell me the steps. Or tell me how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Say when. When? Tell me the time. Tell me the time. In the morning, in the afternoon, or at night? Before or after? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I got 101 questions. 101 questions. I got 101 questions. 101 questions. Who? What? Where? Why? How? When? 101 questions. 101 questions.